Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download Tekken 8 on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. First things first, open up your Steam app and sign into your account. Once you're here, you can see it's showing Tekken 8 is now available. Now either you can click here to download it or just search for it in the search bar. Just type in Tekken and you can see Tekken 8 is available in the drop-down. Select the game and you'll be redirected to this page here. Now to play it for free, click on the download button and the demo version will start downloading. This demo version basically has everything that you can test for free. But if you want to play the whole storyline, then you would need to purchase the game. And if you want, you can also purchase the Deluxe and Ultimate Edition, which obviously includes the DLCs along with the base game. And that's how basically you can download Tekken 8 on PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.